you're back to being Hamilton Dlamini, and then a few hours later you're back on set.
Yeah, it's the discipline. My training, I got my training from theater, so I was trained in such a way that I'm a method actor, so I don't play anybody I don't know. So to build up the character, I start concentrating on my body. Does he use his hands when he speaks? Does he confront people? All those little details until I fill it up properly. So hence the character that you've seen in Reka, I took from all those old policemen who were trained in Hammerskral and the discipline and all that. So I brought them into the new democratic era. So basically, it was the wish of having those kind of policemen. And yeah, and the story was well told because he made an effort to arrest the guy who was a perpetrator. And you can only do that if you have a proper well training from an institution that has morals and the policy that is aligned properly as compared to the current policemen who don't even know the law. They're there to protect and serve, but they don't know what they're serving. They don't know what to protect. Because about
Yeah, you're saying so much and getting right to the heart of the things we're dealing with on a daily basis as South Africans, yeah, you're saying a lot this morning. Growing up in Sebokeng, we're just watching the screens right now, the TV screens. The news is on, and we're looking at the Val covered in water, and people's houses essentially gone, possessions, maybe their livelihoods. When you think of home, when you think of community, what was that like as a child?
Val hasn't changed. It's actually worse than it was before because in Val Triangle there's no opportunity. If you're a dancer, you won't get an opportunity. All you have in Val is industries, steel manufacturing industries, truck drivers and all that, But the other things like sport, visual artists and all that, there's nothing like that, and it's gone worse. So I come from that community which doesn't give youngsters an opportunity to explore and find themselves. So it's worse now. We were looking at those bridges being swept away by the rain, but we don't know what's going to happen to people who rent their houses because the government is also not there to help people. So Steve Biko said it, black man, you are on your own. That's what is happening currently. It's real.
Yeah. Do you ever go back home, or how often do you?
I do, but once a month I do go home. But it hurts me when I go to Sebokeng because at that time there were tennis courts, there were soccer fields. Today there's none of that. Soccer fields are filled with shacks, tennis courts, the stills, and the infrastructure has been taken to build houses that are not inspected by the municipality. It's just chaotic. So it hurts me, but I've got no option. I have to go home and check what's going on because I'm the firstborn, so I need to make sure that my father and my mother's house is still intact. Yes, and check my siblings at the same time. But also check the environment as to how can I change it if given an opportunity. I know I won't get funding to change Val Triangle, but that little opportunity I get, I do make a difference. Like currently I'm working with Luyanda Sidia at Lutando Arts Academy. We're trying to make sure that the youngsters are getting an opportunity. We're giving them skills and we're developing whatever we can,
Sure.
Yeah, we're trying our level best. We haven't given up.
Yeah. No,
Sure. Sorry? So okay. Tell them what.